Hello everyone. So often when clients come in to see me, they sometimes mention how nervous they actually are. In fact, some clients have even said that their anxiety just completely skyrockets, and then they feel like they can't answer even the most simple questions or the most basic questions that I perhaps ask because their mind just goes completely blank. And I know that sometimes getting the right words out can be very, very difficult, especially if you're feeling nervous or you're feeling vulnerable. And it can be very, very difficult as well if you've had a hard week, for instance, or you've had a very emotional time that week. It's sometimes really, really hard to put what you want to say into words or express how you're feeling. Now, anxiety can be an issue in sessions, and expression sometimes can be a little bit difficult, and you may worry that you're either not going to get on well with therapy, or you might find that you feel that your progress is very, very slow. So I just wanted to give you some tips for those of you that do feel like this. If your anxiety is very high, you may find that you may want to write things down as you feel them during the week, and that way when you get into the therapy session you don't forget. Or sometimes you can even just give the piece of paper that you've written to your therapist, like use those notes, and this will help you to progress. Make a log of how you feel. Make a log of what you actually want to say so that you don't forget. This can be a very, very helpful tool and can help you make some progress in your sessions. Life is sometimes so busy anyway, and by writing things down means you won't forget, and then you can speak to your therapist about these things in the session, because things do fly out of your mind sometimes. Of course, if you're feeling anxious, some big deep breaths will always help just before your session. And then there's also progressive muscle relaxation, which can also help just before you go and see your therapist. Just calming your mind, calming your body. This will really help you in your session. If you are unsure of the breathing technique, which I specifically use, it's the 4-7-8 breathing technique. I also use progressive muscle relaxation, which is very good. You can go and have a look at some of my other videos where I've explained these in quite detail for you guys, so that you can know how to use them and then you can implement them at any time.